Welcome to New in Germany, your essential guide for making Germany home. Today, we're tackling a common pitfall for newcomers, the bounce direct debit, or Rücklastschrift. Many assume a missed payment just means paying a few days late, but in Germany, it can quickly snowball into serious financial trouble, even damaging your Schufa credit score. Here's why it's so critical. In Germany, most essential services, your rent, electricity, internet, health insurance, and even the Rundfunkbeitrag, operate on SEPA direct debits. You don't push the money, they pull it on a specific date. If your account lacks sufficient funds on that Abbuchungstag, your bank rejects the request. This triggers a cascade of fees. First, your bank charges a Rücklastschriftgebühr, typically 5 to 15 euros. The creditor then adds their own processing fee. If multiple debits bounce, these fees add up fast. A small shortfall can quickly turn into hundreds of euros in extra charges. The real danger is the rapid escalation. Within weeks, you'll receive increasingly stern Mahnungen or payment reminders. Ignore these and the debt is sold to an incassobureau, a collection agency, which adds massive administrative fees, often doubling your original debt. Crucially, within 6 to 8 weeks, they report this unpaid debt to the Schufa. A negative Schufa entry makes it incredibly difficult to rent a new flat, get a phone contract, or even open certain bank accounts. So what should you do? If you see a Rücklastschrift on your statement, act immediately. Don't wait for a Mahnung. Contact the creditor directly within 3 days. Explain the situation, get their bank details, and manually transfer the full amount, including their Rücklastschrift fee. Proactive communication can often prevent further charges. One critical warning: never use the 8-week Widerruf option to reverse a legitimate direct debit just to buy time. While it's there to protect you from unauthorized payments, using it to avoid paying a valid bill instantly triggers the incasso process and a guaranteed Schufa entry. 2.